Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add contacts Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to add contacts Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To add contacts in Microsoft Outlook, just go ahead. Direct the cursor to the upper left corner of the computer screen. Here are some menu options on the sidebar. Select the people icon as I showed. Now here you have entered the contact menu in Microsoft Outlook. You can see that there are no contacts yet. To add contacts, tap Add Contact here. Now here the contact input menu will appear. Type the name of the contact you want to enter. Also type here the email or Outlook account of the contact you want to add. And here you can enter the number of the contact account you entered. After all is done, tap Save. Well, here you can see, there is a new contact that I entered earlier. So that's it. Tutorial how to use two accounts Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.